Welcome to 5-Minute Mastery by Stoneworks Training Group. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can customize our keyboard shortcuts and some hotkeys. EasyStone already has some established hotkeys, and we can find those in the pull-down menus. So for example, the hotkey in the pull-down menu is listed to the right of the command. I can see for distance and analysis tools, my hotkey is F11 or F12. Also, a lot of the view commands already have established hotkeys. And our file commands. These are pretty common with any Windows application, so these hotkeys should be pretty familiar to most people. Commands that do not have hotkeys would include our draw, build, and edit commands. So if you have a command that you use frequently, like maybe making a rectangle or a line by 2 points, or doing something like move or rotate, it could be useful to you to have a keyboard shortcut for this. So how do we do it? Under the File pull-down, I go to Configuration and Keyboard. Here under Keyboard Shortcuts, you can see some things that are already defaulted by DDX EasyStone. These are object snap commands, where when I have a command active, I could click on, for endpoint, I could click on the E of the keyboard and activate endpoint. But I want to do maybe something like draw a line by 2 points. So to get this, once I have my keyboard shortcut window open, I go to the draw pull down, I choose the command I want, line by 2 points, I make sure it's highlighted, and then I say what command do I want to assign to it. I'll use the letter L and probably the shift key. I have the option to either add the shift key or add the control key, or both, or none at all. Some of these simple letter commands might already be assigned to something else. So anything that I customize just by habit, I'll usually add either the shift or the control key for it. Once I have that, I click assign, and then I can leave this window. Okay. So now on my keyboard, when I say shift L, you can see the line by 2 points command already activates. So I can function with that just as I would any other time. Close it, cancel the command, shift L, and line by 2 points is open. Let's add one more command. File, configuration, keyboard. This time I want to add a modify command. So I would go to the edit pull down, but notice all my modify commands are blanked out. They're grayed out, so I can't add them at this moment. So what I need to do is actually select some kind of geometry. Remember, with modify commands, I need something selected to make my modify commands active. Now when I go to the edit pull down, my modify commands are available to me. I'll choose, in this case, offset. I will select offset, the newly added command, find the letter of the keyboard that I'd like to add, whether or not I want to use shift or control, and then assign it. Okay. Let's deselect all. I'm going to choose my rectangle that I have drawn. Shift O, offset command already arrives. Let's say a distance of 2. Offset to the middle, looks good, and away I go. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching today's 5-Minute Mastery by Stoneworks Training Group.